Welcome to the ProLines Insights Guangzhou 2025 Gonsin booth, and this is Blair. Now let me introduce our new upgrades, Gonsin Conference Management Platform. With our AI Internet of Things technology as the core, it covers the intelligence management of the whole process of the conference. Before the meeting,
intelligent conference reservation all-in-one terminal, linkage AI algorithm, the recommended optimal meeting room, multi-mode registration terminal, integration, 1-second accurate identity verification.
And during the meeting, our model of intelligence array microphone is equipped with the AI noise reduction technology to cancel more than 300 kinds of environmental noises. With AI voice print recognition technology for role labeling automatically generates the structured meeting minutes. And it supports the voice command, app remote control, and scene intelligence linkage. And AI voice control can trigger adaptive response of the device in real time. The operation and maintenance, the visual large screen real-time monitoring of the equipment's health, AI analysis reasoning, and provides the early warning. And after the meeting, they automatically achieve the meeting materials, AI analysis and reasoning, assess the quality of the meeting, and out the optimization suggestions for the close-ups management. The platform has achieved a 30% increase in the conference efficiency, and the operation and maintenance cost is reduced by 20%, which help the enterprises build a full standardized AI conference technology of the intelligent decision-making, accurate execution, and data review.